guys? Hey, welcome to another episode of Bob's Woodshop. Hey, I recently obtained this toolbox treasure chest and I wanted to share it with you today. So this is a really cool box. It looks like a suitcase, but it really, once we see the inside, it's like a machinist chest. So I did open it once before, but this is really the big reveal. We got some really cool things in there. Unlike my last toolbox that I did for my dad's stuff, this one has a lot of planes in it. So this looks like a number 5 or number 6. It's it's a number 6, right? And actually, it's in pretty good shape. This, yeah, I mean, this is going to shine up really nice when I get to it. It doesn't have a name, I assume, since it says number 6. It's a Stanley Bailey. Oh, here's a number 4. This is a Dunlop. Again, in really nice shape. There's hardly any rust on this. Wow. This one has a plastic handle and knob. This one has wooden tote and knob, and luckily this is not broken like you see on so many of these things. I just love opening these old toolboxes. It's got all this history in it. Calipers. Oh, a rabbit plane. I've never had a rabbit plane before. This is a Stanley 180. I did look before. This does not have the depth gauge or the fence on it, but you know, it's certainly a cool tool. Not a lot of rust. Actually, there's no rust on it. It's just a little bit scuff marks. So that's cool. Oh, we got a nice block plane. This is a Stanley block plane, a very common. Again, no rust on this. So what a nice find. And I got a spoke shade. This is a Stanley number 53. Again, I'm guessing these 3 are in that 100-year range. You know, this one's certainly newer. Oh, this is an interesting one. This is a little spoke shave also, and it's for scooping out. So I guess this could be used for chairs or any time that you have to have a radius on there. All right, so cool old tool. I like how this gear is in here. I've got a few keys. I'm gonna have to test the keys to see if any of these fit into here. Oh, and a good old Sloyd knife. When we were in high school, these were a common item, and it's great for measuring and, for marking before you do your measuring. So that's a cool old thing. Oh, it even has a little slot in the back, and maybe that's for a different knife. And I got a George F. Bettino's tape measure. This is from Philadelphia, and Industrial Sands Graphics. It looks like a salesman's sample. And it's saying on the top here, add 2 inches if you're doing an inside measurement. So again, in extremely nice shape. Let's come around and open this thing up. What a nice collection, look at that. All right, let's open this. I said this is similar to a machinist chest. Let's see, what does this say? So, hey, this is cool. This is a Gerstner and Sons, Dayton, Ohio. Wow, what a nice find. I've never owned a Gerstner before, so real happy about that. This looks like oak. Let's see what's in these drawers. Wow. Oh, cool. Let's see. These are some auger bits. This one says Russell Jennings. That might have been the owner. I don't know. I've never heard of Russell Jennings before. Maybe the manufacturer. Russell Jennings. Yeah. You know, I'm expecting this to say Miller's Fall or Stanley. And this is Russell Jennings. I imagine that is the manufacturer. Put these away for now. The brace is not in here. Obviously, that's not going to fit very well. All right, another drawer full of smaller drill bits. And check. This looks like it's for a rabbiting plane. The bit for it. And the plane itself is not in this box. I wish it was. I never really had a rabbiting plane. Boy, nice and sharp too. Ah, cool. I'm loving this little screwdriver. Oh, this is exciting. What else we got? Open this drawer. Oh, cool. Oh, some gouges. Some old style gouges. Let's see. I can't read that. I'm gonna have to get a magnifying glass and look at this. Apparently, still very sharp. The gentleman who owned this took good care of his tools. And again, there's hardly any rust on these, if any. And apparently he was a wood carver. And still sharp. Awesome. A loose screw. Okay, this one says Buck Brothers on it. I can't, the lettering on these are too small. Oh, here's the big gouges. Oh, I wonder what this guy did for a living. Still sharp. Wow, what a find. Again, these look like Buck Brother chisels. Really good shape. Really good shape. I'm impressed. Still, these drawers on top may need a little wax. This one's coming out real easy. All right, here's a hodgepodge of items. This is a old Trammel Point set. I don't see a name on that. I don't know if any of you guys can recognize this logo on here, the decorations. If you know what that is, please leave a comment in the comments section. And yeah. Oh, more modern tool. This is a Lufkin. I actually don't have any of these anymore. This, of course, you guys know this is what the carpenters used to love. I don't use this type of ruler anymore, but it's going to be fun to have. Here's another miscellaneous. Geez, still really sharp. There's smaller gouges. Oh, wow. Here's a smaller set of Trammel points. Boy, I'd love to know what this guy did for a living. I think these are brass. That's going to clean up real nice. Oh, look at this. I got 2 sets of adjustable expansion bits, right? And these are from the Convalco company with 2 cutters made and guaranteed the Connecticut Valley Manufacturing Company. I'm not familiar with that particular brand, but very cool nonetheless. What else? Okay, let's take these, take the rest of these gouges. Here's another drill bit. We got a couple of, these are the small gouges, right? No rust, just awesome. So in this bottom drawer, we've got 4 different gouges along with this drawer and this drawer. What else is in there? Oh, got a bunch of pinch dogs. I never really had a need for these. I never owned these before, but there's a bunch of these, you know, if you're closing up and trying to clamp a joint, you can use these pinch dogs. This looks like a cut as a Stanley number 28 cutter. I'm guessing this is for some one of the scraping planes that Stanley made. Nice old piece of steel, spring steel. Got a couple more auger bits, a ton of auger bits in here. All right, so now we've got 3 different calibers. We've got a large, a small, and a pair of dividers. More pinch dogs, another pair of dividers. Geez, this is the first one that had some rust on it. So I gotta clean that up. And more pinch dogs, more pinch dogs. And we got some pencils. Would love to know what this guy did. Oh, I'm glad it's found its way to me. This is a 12-inch ruler. Boy, my eyes are going bad. I really can't read the writing on this. Yep, sorry, I can't read the writing on that, guys. And then the last, second to last thing, this looks like an 18-inch ruler. Actually, it's just a piece of spring steel. There's no numbers on it. So I guess it's just a straight edge. And then the last item is a Egan Johnson steel castings from Crumline, PA. And this is a nice little 6-inch ruler, again, probably just a salesman's giveaway. And yeah, so hey, what a nice little find. Really thrilled about the Gerstner toolbox. I didn't realize that until today. And yeah, so we've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 planes, a couple spoke shaves, 2 dividers, 2 calipers. There's a host. There's probably about 15 or 20 different size gouges in here. And 2 sets of travel points, 3 rulers, and all these pinch dogs. So, okay. So that's it for this particular toolbox. Now I gotta start working on it and start getting these things cleaned up. And hey, I hope you enjoyed that unveiling. I think that's a really nice find. And thanks for tuning in today. I really appreciate you spending a few minutes of your day with me. Until next time, I'll see you on another episode of Bob's Wood Shop. Take care for now. Bye.